CAM Studio minimizes toolpath regeneration by caching calculations. When toolpaths are initially created, their calculations are stored in a cache, which retains the settings used during their definition. Adjusting settings may require a toolpath to be calculated several times. To initiate a new calculation, click the Regenerate operation icon. If returning to a previously calculated state, no recalculation is needed. If multiple toolpaths need to be regenerated, click the context menu for the parent setup and choose Regenerate all toolpaths. This regenerates all the out-of-date toolpaths except those with remachining based on an in-process stock model enabled. Operations using remachining must have their associated stock model calculated first before the toolpath can be regenerated. If multiple stock models need to be regenerated, click Regenerate Stock on the operation that is furthest down the list. This triggers all upstream stock models to regenerate, excluding operations that point to a previously calculated stock for remachining. All toolpath operations must be calculated before triggering all stock model calculations.